The economy is changing fast, and so is your retirement plan. Inflation's rising, banks are unstable, and even the stock market can feel like a roller coaster ride. But what if you could make your seven-figure portfolio feel actually safe? Today, we're diving into a strategy that's been used by the most successful investors for decades: gold IRAs. Stick with me to the end because there's something crucial I'll share with you that could make all the difference for your future. Now, before we even get into how this works, let's face the hard truth. Your current investment strategy might not be as bulletproof as you think. According to recent headlines, inflation is at a 40-year high. That's not just some headline you can ignore. It's happening now, and it's eroding the purchasing power of your money, your hard-earned savings, and most importantly, your retirement. President Trump has even called out how the current administration's policies are leading to more instability. The dollar is losing value, and banks are still reeling from 2008's financial crisis effects, which means your seven-figure portfolio could be at risk. This is why gold IRAs are gaining more attention, and for good reason. Gold has historically been a safe haven during times of economic turmoil. It holds its value when stocks crash and when inflation is sky high. But there's a right way to go about setting this up, and that's what I'll walk you through. Here's the first key takeaway. Gold IRAs aren't just about buying gold. It's about diversifying your portfolio with real physical assets that act as a hedge against the things you can't control. It's a strategy that allows you to protect your wealth from inflation and market crashes, something we've seen too often in the past. Let's talk specifics. You've worked hard for your retirement savings, whether it's in your 401k or IRA, and you don't want to see it wiped out by market volatility. A gold IRA can provide the kind of stability your portfolio needs, especially when it's paired with a solid strategy of diversification. And here's where it gets interesting. If you qualify with $100,000 or more in your retirement account, we're offering a free guide that walks you through exactly how a gold IRA could benefit you. This guide is full of insights into how to secure your wealth without putting all your eggs in one basket. But that's not all. You'll also get access to a complimentary, no-obligation consultation, where we'll walk you through your situation and see if this strategy fits your retirement goals. Now, I want to reassure you, there's absolutely no pressure here. We're not about pushing you into something that doesn't make sense for you. We'll look at your personal financial situation, and if a gold IRA is right for you, we'll guide you through it. If it's not, that's perfectly fine too. This is all about education and making sure you're set up for long-term success. Think about it. You've spent decades building your wealth, making sure you're financially secure. Now, don't let it slip through your fingers due to something you could have controlled. If you want to protect your wealth for the next generation, whether that's your children, grandchildren, or even future generations, you need to take action now. Get the free Gold IRA guide, book your free consultation, and learn how you can safeguard your future. Remember, we're not here to sell you anything. We're here to offer you a chance to learn, to grow, and to protect your hard-earned savings from the uncertainty that lies ahead. So, if you're serious about making your seven-figure portfolio actually feel safe, click the link below. You worked hard for your retirement, and now it's time to make sure it works hard for you.